If you're arraigned in district court here in Massachusetts, your case will be called and the judge will automatically enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Now, if you sit through the criminal sessions, occasionally you'll see a case called, and some lawyers, especially private lawyers, will jump up and say something like, "Counsel present, enter a plea of not guilty." It's really all for show. The not guilty plea is automatically entered by the judge on behalf of the defendant. Also, if you read news articles, the article will often say that a certain defendant appeared in court and pleaded not guilty to the charges, as if the court actually asked the defendant, how does he plead? And he said not guilty. This isn't the case. The automatic plea is not guilty, and it remains a plea of not guilty either until the case is brought to trial and a verdict is rendered, or until the defendant tenders a plea. So in the vast majority of cases, the defendant will change his plea from not guilty to either guilty or an admission to facts sufficient for a finding of guilty in order to get a more lenient sentence. Now, the proposal for the sentence and the plea go before the judge. If the judge rejects it, or if the judge exceeds what the defendant wants as a plea deal, the defendant can reject the judge's offer. And in either case, if the plea gets rejected, then a not guilty plea re-enters for the defendant automatically, and the case proceeds to trial. I've written a blog post on this, and I'll put it in the description below.